Hello, I want to show off this claw crane toy that I've switch adapted so that even someone who was only able to hit an accessibility switch, they'd still be able to enjoy this toy in different ways. So what I'll do is I'll show off that I have this jack. That's the only thing you can see from the outside that I've modified about the toy. I'm going to plug this switch into it. It could be any switch, but I'll use this switch for example. And first I'll show off how the toy normally functions before I did the adaptation to it. So I'll turn it on, and you'll see that if I hit start, the toy lights up. The crane can move left or right with these joysticks. It can move back away from me, can move towards me, and of course I could lift the crane up. I can lower the crane to grab something, and then I can lift it up again if I wish to pick something up, and then I can move it over and drop off the toy. So what I'll show is I'll kind of reset the toy back to its initial state. So this is the toy's off, the lights are off. I'm going to show that how the switch works. So there's two modes with the switch. The first mode is that you can just hit it, and this is for a younger child or someone who just wants a simpler experience where you could just hit the switch and see some stuff happen. So I'll hit the switch, you'll see the crane kind of dance around a bit, and then try to build some suspense, and then go to pick up a toy if there was if there was one to pick up. So I'll show that. Now it should go down to pick up a toy. And now that it's tried to pick up a toy to try and drop it off. So that's kind of one mode. Another mode which I have in there is if you were to turn on the toy, and I'll do it now. If you were to turn on the toy while pressing the switch down, this starts it in this other mode. And in this other mode, even though you still only have one switch, still you have complete control over the toy. So what will happen now is with each press, the toy will move in a direction. So the first press it'll move to the right, the next press it'll move to the left, for as long as I'm holding it down. So let's say I want to move the crane over to the right a bit, I'll hold it down. Now let's say I want to come back left a little, I'll press it just for a short time. And the next press is back, the next press is towards me after that. So this is back, away from me. Next press is towards me. Next press is down, next press is pick up. I'll show that quick. And in this way, you can move to the right. Now I could drop off a toy had I picked it up. I'll move it now over the drop spot, and I'll go and drop off the toy. So in this way, you can keep looping through and do each action as much as you want, and play the game. Even though you only have a single switch, you can still do all these actions. Alright, thank you very much for watching.